Hello, my dear students. Today our topic is chemical kinetics factors affecting reaction speed, fermentative catalysis. Let's start. Chemical kinetics. The study of chemical kinetics takes into account of the nature of reactants in the influence of external factors, temperature, pressure. The rate of any chemical reaction in the body changes under the influence of external factors. Chemical kinetics helps to study the chemical reactions that take place in the metabolic process and to create the necessary conditions for their complete realization. Effect of catalysis on chemical reaction speed. To increase the reaction rate, the activation energy must be reduced. Catalysts are added for this purpose. Reactions involving catalysts are called catalytic reactions, and the process is called catalysis. The catalyst requires less energy to increase the rate of reaction in an alternative way, but does not affect the chemical equilibrium. As a result of the catalytic reaction, the catalyst remains chemically unchanged and its volume remains constant. Catalysts are widely used in industry, for example, in the production of margarine. The reaction between vegetable oils and hydrogen is usually very slow. The reaction proceeds rapidly in the presence of crushed platinum catalyst. In general, inorganic and organic substances can act as catalyst. Catalysis is homogeneous and heterogeneous. In homogeneous catalysis, the catalyst and the reactants are in the same aggregate state. In heterogeneous or contact catalysis, the catalyst is usually a solid and the reactants are in the liquid or gaseous state. Monomolecular reaction. Monomolecular reaction. In such reaction, one molecule of the same substance is involved in the chemical transformation. In general, this reaction is A into B plus C plus D. Examples of monomolecular reactions are most decomposition reaction. For example, N2O5, NO2 plus NO plus O2, CaCO3, CO plus CO2. This reaction that take place with the radioactive decay of atomic nuclei and the changes that take place within the molecule are monomolecular. Bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. In this reaction, two molecules interact at the same time. In other words, two molecules of the reacting substance collide in order for the reaction to take place. Three molecules reactions are not common because it is unlikely that three molecules will meet at the same time. Therefore, these reactions are very slow. Parallel side-by-side reaction. Parallel side-by-side reaction. In most cases, substances react in two or more directions at the same times. Examples are following reaction. For example, 2KClO3 into 2KCl 2KCl and 3O2. Same as 4KClO3, 3KClO4 plus KCl. The velocities of parallel reactions are equal to the sum of the velocities of the reaction stages. Conjunctive reaction. In such reactions, intermediates are formed. These reactions are therefore called sequential reaction. These reactions are of particular importance because they are so common. The hydrolysis of ribinose 3 saccharides occur in the stage of disaccharides and finally monosaccharides formation. C18H3TO2O 16 plus H2O C12H22O11 plus C6H12O6, three saccharides, disaccharides, and monosaccharides. C12H22O11 plus H2O disaccharides, C6H12O6 monosaccharides. Enzymatic catalysis. In enzymatic catalysis, the catalysts in the body are called enzymes, which are involved in metabolic process and keep the cell active. Enzymes called biological catalysts are needed to control chemical reactions in the human body. Enzymes are highly specialized class of proteins. Enzymes can be divided into simple and complex. Enzymes that consist only of amino acids are called simple enzymes, and complex enzymes also contain non-protein components. The protein part of an enzyme is called an apoenzyme, and with the non-protein part is called coenzyme. Protein part is called apoenzymes and non-protein part is called coenzyme. The coenzyme is easily separated from the apoenzymes and the cofactor is not. The sum of two parts is called the holoenzyme. Ferment There are two ways to increase the rate of enzymatic reaction: increasing the ambient temperature, accelerating the movement of molecules, and increasing the formation of EU. When the temperature is raised to 10 degrees Celsius, the reaction rate doubles. Enzyme degradation of the energy by substrate. Enzymes differ from inorganic catalysts by the following specific properties. The rate of enzymatic reaction is high. One molecule of enzyme can break down 1000 to 36 million molecules of substrate in 1 minute. Enzymes have high specificity. Enzymatic reactions take place under mild conditions, normal pressure, low temperature, about 37 degrees Celsius, and neutral environment. The enzymatic reaction is controlled. The rate of enzymatic reaction is directly proportional to the amount of enzymes. The specific effects of enzymes can be explained using two hypotheses: Fisher hypothesis and Koshland hypothesis. Fisher hypothesis is that the enzymes and the substrate must match each other as they fit into the key lock model. The Koshland hypothesis is that binding is compatible. Sometimes the enzymes can change its conformation and adapt to the substrate. The main functions of cofactors: alteration of the tertiary structure of the protein and the formation of complementary between the enzymes and the substrate, involvement in the reaction as another substrate, participation as a donor receptor. This is all about the chemical kinetics. Hope you all of you understand. Thank you.